So I've spent time with leaders of both parties in Washington and most people, and I think they all agree on what I've just said about the debt problems. And I think we're at a point, looking at the numbers like a doctor, we're at the point where what could happen, theoretically, what could happen is what I call the 3% three-part solution, which means bring the deficit down to 3% of GDP. And you have to do it in three parts because there are three things that affect the deficit. That is spending. That is taxes.
Tax revenue.
And tax revenue. And also interest rates. And if you cut, you have to do it by a bit of all. And so if you cut about 4% in spending, and you raise taxes the equivalent of about 4%, that would improve the supply and the demand picture, and it would allow interest rates to naturally to decline, and that would get you to about a stable situation, stabilizing where it is now. If you don't do that, then next year we're going to accumulate a lot more. Because we're going to accumulate another $2 trillion over the next 10 years. So debt service payments will go through the roof. And that'll mean that we need to actually borrow money. Government needs to borrow money. Central bank needs to borrow money in order to pay the debt. And as that, you get that compounded effect. That's near the end of the debt cycle where bad things happen.